Travel day! Hey everyone, welcome back. So, today is the day. We've got the boobles out.
Cheers!
So yeah, it's the day me and the eldest go up to Stansted. We got a hotel the night before. Obviously we said if you watch our other videos. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're travelling up. Ready for fly day tomorrow.
Yeah, excuse my face. I've been crying already. It's only 11 AM and yeah, I think this is going to be my life for the next few weeks without you, so...
Yeah, so yeah, it's going to be an adventure day today. We've got all the bags packed. So yeah.
House is still a tip. There has literally been a piece of furniture in the hallway every single day for the last 7 days. Wardrobes, drawers. Like, it's still really busy with like selling stuff and getting rid of stuff, isn't it?
Yeah, so we've been doing that. Still clearing out the last day.
You spent all day yesterday taking down wardrobes, didn't you?
Yeah, I'm sick of wardrobes now.
Yes, and if you ever want to test the strength of your marriage, you should definitely disassemble a wardrobe together in a very tight space.
That was an adventure, wasn't it?
It was not my favourite game.
No, it wasn't fun, but hey, it's done now and it's gone, so... So yeah, just her ladyship.
Yep. Do you want to talk about a little bit of drama that's been happening here?
Just trying to forget about it really, but yeah, I'll let you.
Well, so basically she had to have a blood test for leishmania and she had to have worming.
Yeah.
So we thought all along the travel agent had said use Frontline, don't use anything else. Apparently they meant only use Frontline for the flea and tick, so we specially bought Frontline for the worming because the vet didn't use it. And then, yeah, sent back the card to the travel agent and she was like, why have you used Frontline?
The paperwork did say, like, for external and internal treatment, it did say Frontline.
Yeah. And then she was like, did you also get the flea and tick treatment done? We were like, no, because we only had that done like 3 weeks ago. She was like, you need to get it done by Monday because if you don't, we have to restart all the vet work and delay the export. I'm guessing by another 8 months. Yeah. So that was stressful.
Yes. In the meantime.
Yeah, the leishmania blood test. Do you want to tell them what happened there?
Yeah, so obviously they've got to shave a little patch so they can get the blood. Well, not to the blood, but to her vein. And the vet decided to shave most of her skin off as well at the same time.
Not happy.
So he's like, oh, whoops, so I went a bit deep. It's like, oh, right. So she's like got blood all down her front.
It was really bad.
But she's still getting over now. I don't know if you can see it there.
Yeah, but it got worse because it was irritating her. So she kept like scratching it with her foot. So go back to the vet and say, look, you caused this. Like, you need to help her get better. What did they say? Yeah,
they said, oh, we're not responsible for like the dog moves while we're like shaving them or anything. So we're not liable for that. So anyway, we moaned a bit and they knocked the consultation fee off of like 30 odd quid, but she had to pay for the cream.
So it better get better before she goes quarantine because if we end up having to pay for a vet in quarantine, I'm not going to be very happy.
Yeah, so you know, just a little bit more stress for the already stressful time where I got, but hey ho.
And so yeah, that's where we are.
Yeah, it's finally come round. I was just saying this morning, like, the other day it felt like, oh, we've got like 90 odd days to go. Now it's like, we're going this morning. Yeah, so we'll be doing travel footage and a little review of the hotel we're staying in the night before. So if anyone else is going to do it, we'll let you know.
So maybe your new video partner now, like, will be our eldest daughter. So these videos won't feature me for a little while, but maybe you'll see a new member of the family.
So anyway, guys, we'll see you in a bit. Lovely view of the Tesla charging ports. Yeah, I don't know what the bed's going to be like. We'll have a... good. So, okay, TV, suitcases, the dead one from last time, and here's the bathroom. I would say bathroom, more like a shower room, toilet. So it was about £105 for the night. Yeah, no aircon, no lifts. So lifting those two bags, weigh about 30 odd kilos up a flight of stairs. Nah. Yeah, it's right if you're probably a businessman or whatever, light baggage, but yeah. Family of all them suitcases. As you can see, I'm sweating. So yeah, we're here. I'll do a little walk around outside in a minute. See you in a bit. Morning, everyone. Survived through the night, just about. It was a bit on and off. Well, I think